Hi, my name is Patrick, and I created Phaigo. So what is Phaigo? Phaigo makes sending and receiving PayPal USD as simple as typing a username. The platform eliminates the complexity of crypto transactions at a critical moment in the stablecoin revolution. Recent market reports indicate that the stablecoin market is currently valued at over 230 billion US dollars and is projected to reach 1.1 trillion by 2035, with PayPal's Pi USD positioned as a key player. So what's the problem that Phaigo addresses? Crypto promises financial freedom, but delivers complexity instead. Studies show that approximately 3.7 million Bitcoin, so 20% of the total supply, are now considered lost or unrecoverable. Also, over 1 billion US dollars in Ethereum has been permanently lost due to address errors alone. Additionally, traditional cryptocurrency also suffers from volatility and slow confirmation times. For example, for Bitcoin, it can take up to 30 minutes for finalization, making everyday transactions impractical. Phaigo is the solution. Phaigo solves these problems by replacing complicated wallet addresses with simple usernames. The platform integrates PyUSD, PayPal's regulated stablecoin, with a one-to-one US dollar backing. It also offers an intuitive interface, making transactions accessible to everyone, especially with the help of an AI assistant. According to Bloomberg, PayPal plans to offer PyUSD to more than 20 million merchants by the end of 2025, creating a massive ecosystem for real-world usage. So Phaigo is powered by Google Cloud RPC, providing free access to computationally expensive blockchain methods that typically cost substantial amounts to develop in-house. So what's the current architecture of Phaigo? Phaigo is currently built on Next.js using PostgreSQL that is synced up with on-chain data. For scalability, I might switch to another architecture, but for now, this works. So what's the user flow? You just simply connect an account. You can change your username if you want, and then you can simply send a payment, or you can talk to the AI assistant to send a payment. There we go. So now we have an assigned username. As you can see, you can also see your balance. Let's make our name something simpler really quick. Let's say agent. Agent. There we go. We don't need to do that. Okay, now our name is agent. Let's send a transaction now. We can do this through the AI. We can simply say send 5.14 to Phaigo, which is one of the accounts that's there. There we go. Confirm payment. Sign. And then there's the transaction. And there we go. As you can see 7 seconds ago. And if we refresh, it will finalize on here as well. Let's also request a payment, for example. Or let's request a payment on another account. Here, we're on the Phaigo account now, as you can see. Let's also refresh. And you should be able to, yeah, here we can see. And you can also view it on either scan. It's the exact same. Okay, let's now create a request. New request. Or we can actually just ask. Oh, okay, now it loaded. Actually, let's just ask the AI. It's more fun. Can you create a request for 1.23 Pi USD for food and drinks? There we go. It has created the request. And here you can see. Now you can share this link or you can share the QR code, and then people will get brought to this page. Now, let's go back to the other browser with the account. And let's pay the request. Pay request. Use MetaMask. And there we go. And then go back to the dashboard. Let's refresh. Oh, there we go. Yeah. And here you can see it's also transacted on chain. So as you can see, it's that easy. Could be even easier since the platform only supports PyUSD. You could say something like to Patrick. There we go. Then it should register. There we go. 1.1 PyUSD to Patrick. Confirm the payment, wallet sign. And there we go. View the transaction. It's even still pending. Yeah. So there's also a analytics dashboard on the platform that's connected to the Google blockchain RPC. And there it should load the data. And there we go. We have an overview of the latest transactions and the market cap, total supply, the amount of holders. And there you have a transaction trace tool where you can trace a transaction and the latest transactions. And then there's the deep dive tool where you can even explore by block. And you can, for example, say, let's see, Let's see if there's any Pi USD transactions in the latest block. There's none found this time. But yeah, you can do multiple things. You can look at a contract as well, and you can get the bytecode of the Pi USD contract. And then these features will be available later. So yeah, this is the app. I hope you enjoyed this little demo, and thank you for watching. So, what's the road ahead? I'll first have to look for a monetization strategy, likely one that implements a small fee through a smart contract system. And for future development, I also want to look into a mobile app. I want to expand to multiple chains, and I want to create merchant tools for B2B adoption. I also plan to enhance the analytics to incorporate more predictive capabilities to optimize payment strategies, transforming Phaigo from payment tool into a comprehensive ecosystem, making stablecoin transactions accessible to everyone.